if you are going to work with the team, you can record this in a workshop. A workshop is the place where you can send invitations for the team scan and feedback, in addition to invitations for the MD survey. A workshop consists of the respondents who are in the team, or a selection thereof. Click on New Workshop. Determine the name of the workshop. Click on the text box and enter the name. Enter the date of the workshop. The date you enter is the date on which the workshop will appear on the timeline. In the Workshop Respondents widget, you can add respondents to a workshop. Select the respondents who participate in the workshop. You can select respondents who are in the team. If respondents are missing, please update the team from the active or a new team update first. Click Create Workshop to save it. If there are groups in the team, they are automatically included in the workshop. If you don't need the existing groups in the workshop, you can delete them in the Groups widget from the active workshop. If you want to change the respondents that are in the workshop, you can edit the active workshop. After you have added a respondent to a workshop, you can also invite them for a team scan, for example. Click on the active workshop in the timeline. If the workshop is in the past, you can no longer change the respondents. In the Workshop Respondents widget, you can add or remove respondents from a workshop. Click the plus icon by the name of the respondent to add a respondent to the workshop. If respondents are missing, please update the team from the active or a new team update first. Click on the minus icon to remove a respondent from the workshop. As long as the respondent does not have a completed team scan or feedback survey, you can remove them from the workshop. In a workshop, you can create groups or edit them. Click on the plus in the Groups widget to create a new group, or click on the group name to edit the group. Enter a group name and select the desired respondents in the respondent list. If groups are already present, they will also be shown here. Click on the Save icon to save the group. Thank you for using Management Drives. Check our support website for more information, or feel free to contact us.